Discover the versatility and efficiency of Reeco's robotic palletizers, trusted by leading brands to automate their end-of-line packaging. Our palletizer expertly handles multi-packs of glass bottles, ensuring careful and precise stacking for beverage distribution. Watch the seamless palletizing of sealed cardboard boxes, streamlining the packaging process for industrial goods. In the food industry, our stainless steel palletizer meets high hygiene standards while handling delicate confectionery products. A specialized foam gripper gently stacks premium chocolate boxes, protecting both the product and its elegant packaging. See our palletizers in a large-scale grocery distribution center, working efficiently to manage high-volume logistics. The system quickly stacks cases of food products, integrating perfectly into the production line for maximum throughput. Our robot easily manages large, heavy plastic totes, demonstrating its power and adaptability for various container types. This application showcases the palletizer handling unsealed boxes, with a precision side clamp gripper ensuring stability. Boost your warehouse productivity and streamline your operations with a Reeco Palletizer. Contact us today to learn more.